Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to merge reports on Expensify. Now the first thing I want you to do is just log in to your Expensify dashboard, come in the left hand panel and click on reports. Now from here I want you to click on reports again. You'll see all your reports. Remember, you can only do this for open reports. Just select one of the reports you want to merge. So this one right here, and we'll merge it into this one, right? So once we have one of them selected, come here and click on this drop down and then click on move expense. Now we'll move it to this one right here, as you can see. So I'll go ahead and select that. So you can see it has the same name, but that's okay. Now, there we go. We have merged these two reports. Now that is how you merge reports on Expensify.